What is MSI's Dragon Center? Well, I'm glad you've asked. If you're in need of a versatile, all-in-one solution for managing system resources and applications, you've come to the right place. We will be using the GS75 Stealth for demonstration purposes, and you can learn more about it below. But to keep it short and sweet, it's one heck of a gaming laptop thanks to its 10th gen Core i7 processor, desktop-grade RTX 2060, and ultra-fast 240Hz display. So once Dragon Center is installed, you'll be greeted by this screen here, which depicts CPU and GPU usages, disk space available, memory allocation, important temperatures and frequencies, heck, internet usage, fan speeds. I need a breather after that one. Is it too much? No, of course not. It's super useful information, and it's the first screen you'll see when you open up the Dragon Center application. From here, you can find performance scenarios to the top right, a settings icon toward the bottom left, and a left-sided navigation menu. So let's start there. Up top in the Home tab, we've got gaming mode. Simply put, if you're interested in setting specific parameters for specific games in your synced library, this is where you do it. If certain titles demand, for instance, a bit more of your system, you can enable a more extreme performance profile for instances when those games are open. Speaking of, the next tab is labeled User Scenario, and it's here where those performance profiles are set up. Extreme Performance does what you think it does and gives the user the option of adding additional clock speed offsets to both the GPU and VRAM. The Balance preset plays it a bit more conservative, as you might expect. Silent Mode lowers fan speed, obviously. Super Battery places battery life above all else and will even take measures as extreme as cutting keyboard RGB backlighting to accomplish this. And User Mode allows you to manually select fan speed and the coinciding performance level. Next tab then is General Settings. Here you can enable, disable, or change functions of certain keys, enable product-specific functions like display overdrive for a smoother image, activate or deactivate a built-in webcam, or toggle aids like the crosshair for first-person shooters. The True Color tab is a cool one. Here you can set color profiles for your laptop's panel, including anti-blue, sRGB, office, and movie, though in this case, I think gamer will do just fine. And next up here is Game Highlights. This feature will automatically capture and save your gaming highlights for viewing and sharing on social media afterwards. Games currently supporting this feature include Fortnite, League, and Apex, but MSI expects more coming soon, including PUBG and Valorant. The next page in the Home tab is Ambient Link, which allows you to sync up unique user-defined color profiles with various peripherals. Dragon Center can even detect things like Nanoleafs and Philips Hue products, and the ecosystem is still growing. There's a built-in voice command feature for ease of use, several profiles to use, and a plethora of RGB effects. You can even link RGB effects to games in your library. Another page in this category is Noise Cancel, which is an intuitive way of filtering out unwanted background noise through the use of AI from both your speakers and microphone. It's trained in a deep neural network with more than 500 million data points to simulate human brain activity in an effort to significantly improve the user's communication experience. It works by isolating vocal waveforms and then flipping the amplitudes of unwanted sounds to effectively cancel them out. The science is actually similar to that in noise canceling headphones, but the speaker isolation side of things is especially unique and exclusive to MSI products. Now the last page in the Home tab is Duet Display, which gives users the option to project sections of your device's screen onto another. You can, for instance, connect a TV to your laptop via HDMI and select this section of the laptop's display to capture and send to the TV. You can even mirror your phone with a compatible iOS device by using this section of the window toward the bottom and assume control from there. The My Device tab is a place where you can link multiple products to the same Dragon Center account so that enabled features can be synced across compatible devices. In the Support tab, you'll find System Info, the live update feature for updating relevant drivers and utilities, and Microsoft app, which lists programs from the Microsoft Store that are compatible with your device. Under the Tools tab, you'll find Battery Master and Backup. The former includes options that directly affect battery health long-term. Charging to 100% over and over can stress a unit and reduce its charge capacity over time, aka battery health. So MSI includes Battery Master to give users flexibility regarding how much their device's batteries are charged in certain scenarios. If, for example, you're going mobile and want the most juice at your disposal, select the Best for Mobility option. But if you're concerned about battery health above all else, select the Best for Battery option, and your laptop will only charge itself up to 60%. And lastly, the Backup tab is useful for recovering a previous version of Windows or reinstalling the OS altogether. You can do so via a USB drive or ISO file. Now, if you're wondering what the settings icon does toward the bottom left, it gives users the ability to update software, start Dragon Center upon first boot, and toggle automatic updates. Now, I believe I've covered everything. It feels like I'm missing something, but that's just a testament to how much Dragon Center can do. If you'd like to learn more or download it for yourself, you can find relevant links down below. Thanks for watching. My name is Greg, and thanks for learning with me.